Hi, I'm Steven Platt, an infrastructure engineer and author of Manning's peer-to-peer web applications. The internet is constantly evolving, and now we have arrived at Web3. Web3 is a lot more than blockchain, however. It's an evolution of the entire internet as we know it. It's built peer-to-peer, and it supports self-sovereign identity so that users have increased control. Whether you're an experienced web developer or just wanting to know more about building applications that run peer-to-peer, this book is for you. In this book, I'll walk you through building a complex Web3 application layer by layer. This includes programming examples for handling client-side storage, client-side compute, peer-to-peer communications, as well as cutting-edge topics such as keeping data private using zero-knowledge cryptography. So, if you'd like to know more, get your copy of Peer-to-Peer Web Applications today.